So this is room 544 at the Downtown Grand. This is a one-bedroom suite in the Grand Tower, which is the one across the bridge from the casino. So you come in, there's 2 bathrooms in this suite. This is the room, I stayed in the premium room last trip, and the trip with Suzanne in 2016 we stayed in the city suite. And this is the halfway house between those 2 room options. So this is the sort of living area. Yeah, pretty nice. Telly here. I think this is just storage. Yep. Got a fridge for your own stuff there. And then moving into the bedroom. Yeah, nice king bed. And then through here you have the second bathroom, which is pretty much exactly the same as the first one. So his and hers bathrooms. Unlike Caesar's, they don't interconnect the showers. And the only downside with this room, this is as far away from the pool as you can get. The pool, along with the Hogs and Heifers bar, can be very, very loud. So we're the total opposite side. So for being quiet, it's the best option. The downside is we're only on the 5th floor, so I have a view of a car park. But that aside, I'm booked here for 6 nights. I have 4 of them comped, and I have a host here now who's going to see what he can do at the back end depending on my gameplay. So yeah, very nice. Speak to you soon.